Hey, we're here at Legacy Nissan today. We're going to do an introduction of our service department. Right here at these doors right here, when you pull up, if it's raining outside, if it's snowing, if it's cold, you pull right next to the door, it automatically opens for you. You can pull inside to where it's dry and warm. If you come after hours, we do have a drop box where you can drop your keys and all your paperwork in. And as soon as guys come in the next business day, they will get right on your car. We have our service riders. Usually there's a guy out here at this office right here most of the time. He'll take all your keys, get all your information off your car. You will come in and speak to this guy in here. This is our parts department. These gentlemen take care of all your parts needs, anything that you need. You got these gentlemen right here. They'll get whatever you need for you. We've always got something on the TV. We've got the 6-foot seating here in our waiting area with nice comfortable chairs for everybody. We have got a kids room here. And even if you've not bought a vehicle from us, we would still love to do your services, all your needs, take care of your vehicles, and we do all makes and models.